to 2023. Tired of 2022. I wish it was 2023 already.
I can't wait till 2023. There's so many dreams and goals to reach.
And the GMG family goes into the 2023 portal where all their dreams and goals awaits. Wait until 2023 comes and 2022 goes. Introducing 2023!
What up, GMG?
What up, GMG?
What up, GMG?
Squad. So today we're trying the Little Debbie
ice cream.
Yeah, we got every single flavor because it's just, yeah.
We had to go big or go home. So as y'all can see here, we did a tower to show y'all the flavors. It's probably cricket. We're not gonna do like any money more. We're just gonna go from the top of the pyramid to the bottom, and we go from the left to the right, and that's it. So we got the oatmeal cream pie. Oatmeal cookie pie. So what I'm gonna do is scoop us, cause we're not about to be digging in this thing, and that's nasty. So I'm gonna give us each getting a scoop, and we're gonna judge it. Scoop, get off the spoon. Right, okay. And then so we're gonna judge it from 1 to 10. We'll rate it from 1 to 10. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So first one is oatmeal cream pie, okay?
It's like the cream.
Okay, let's judge it, y'all. Let's see what
Ready?
it is.
Get your spoon, D.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. We already done started.
10. I like
10.
10.
I like it, y'all. It's giving cream. It's fluffy. Yeah, 10. 10.
Yeah, better about 10. That's definitely a hit.
I might want that one.
I might. We're gonna tussle on this one. Well, we can split it in half.
Yeah.
Me and Mike can split it in half. So,
Hey.
put it
You
up.
gotta split it in 4s then.
So now we got the zebra cake. We ain't wasting no time with y'all. Quit playing with us. We ain't one of them.
That was definitely a 10.
That was a 10. I couldn't
I like
even
the
y'all.
taste.
I couldn't even tell y'all nothing wrong about it. So I wiped off the spoon with a napkin. So I'm gonna kind of blend a little bit because it got like
2 flavors.
a stripe. Cause it's a zebra. So boop. We don't need too much ice cream because ice cream you can taste just by the tip of your tongue. Well, you know how people be doing the most. Okay, so we about to do this. Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Hey.
Let's give it mix it up first. To me, you gotta mix it up first. But it's very, very flavorful. Tastes just like it don't taste like the zebra cake. But once you like close your mouth, after taste it gives you like the fluffy, soft taste of a cake. But it gives you ice cream. I give it about an 8.5.
I say 9.
I really like that one. I might choose that one.
I don't eat a lot of.
I get that one a 9.5.
Yeah, that's what I said about 9.
I get it a smooth 8.5. So.
And you give me that oomph. Like how, you know.
And I'm not even eating too much ice cream because ice cream give me.
And put a little oomph.
So we doing the cosmic brownie ice cream, the brownie, you know the brownies drawer. Okay, let's see. So far so good, but it's chocolatey.
Nice and sticky. Oh,
It's so chocolatey.
danger.
It seems like it's stale. That's stale.
It's still, it's frozen.
It got
Oh, you ain't give us none.
I'm gonna split that with us. It's frostbit. D like frostbit. Frostbit means when they got a lot of like not the normal.
I'll scoot it over so you can, you know, because you got this.
I'm not gonna want too much frostbit ice cream. I don't like.
Frosted ice cream.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, let's try it, y'all.
Let's try it. It's the fudge brownie, y'all.
Frostbit.
It's giving frostbit, but Maybe nobody gets this one at the store we went to Walmart. It's giving brownie. It's giving
brownie bar.
It's giving old brownie.
I really like that's a 10.
10.
I smooth 7.2.
7.3.
Yeah, that was good.
I give that a 10.3.
I don't really like that. Boom. Strawberry shortcake. I love my little sweets. Quit playing with me. I like my strawberry shortcake. It better not be frozen. It's real heavy, man. So this is ice cream that you gotta blend too. Let me try to get each of us some like that strawberry ice cream. We're gonna really split all of that in there. You're not gonna like dig and do all that dumb stuff.
I'm really going like this.
We all like strawberry, so I'm gonna try to get each piece, or all of us a piece. I'm gonna get the littlest piece. Cause I don't need that much. I know how to taste. Thanks for you. Mine, she like ice cream. Okay, let's get it. Let's see how it tastes.
Oh yeah, I just smell it.
It's good. I would rather eat this than a cake because on the strawberry cake tastes like
That tastes just like it.
but it tastes better though. This tastes better though because
It's creamy and nice.
Yeah,
But see
I get it a 10.
I get it to smooth 9. But see what I'm saying is only because
A smooth one.
it's not like the cake gives super sweet, like diabetic sweet. We don't like diabetic sweet. Swiss roll.
That's a 10.
That's a
That was
smooth
good.
9.
I definitely try that myself.
Okay, giving very much chocolate doodle.
That's how brownie was given, Mom.
Brownie, so it's giving the brownie look.
Another brownie.
And each one of these was $2.50 at Walmart.
That's great.
So if y'all got food stamps like I do, or whatever,
Why you gonna smack our lips?
or whatever y'all want to do it with. And yes, I'm breaking up small little chunks because I'm cooking dinner and I ain't cutting their appetite. Should have gave you a big piece because you want ice cream. Mike eat whatever ice cream she want, or D can eat whatever they want after dinner. Though they can't eat this ice cream before. Let's see how the Swiss roll tastes.
Ooh. Ron, you heaving. Ron, you heaving. Ron, you heaving. Let it.
Let's give it Swiss roll.
She didn't let it touch the back of her throat.
I did.
She did not.
I tell
Oh my god.
my
Oh my god.
my taste buds in the front. She about to choke. My taste buds is so good. Girl, I don't gotta be all. I don't gotta have 7 to 10. Hold on. No.
So she was like,
I don't gotta have 50 million bites to know what I'm feeling and tasting.
no, I'm not talking about that. She was just like this. Mom, you was like this. Look, you was like this. You was like,
Tasted it right away, like I already did. So
jeez.
I gave it a smooth 7.
You gonna get
7.
me angry with the smooth stuff.
A smooth
Get me
7.
heated.
Man.
It do give me Swiss roll though, don't
Yeah.
it? It tastes like just.
I get at a smooth 9.
I feel like it was in the refrigerator.
It tastes like coffee. I get at a 10.
I feel like it was in the refrigerator, and you put out the cake and we ate it. That's how it tastes. Period.
Like you froze the Swiss roll.
Like we froze our Swiss roll.
Put ice cream on top.
It tastes just like you do.
Right.
Okay, so we're doing honey bun. Let's
Snap the honey bun.
let's get it in with it.
Honey bun.
So all these ice creams, y'all gotta mix together pretty much. If y'all by yourself, I ain't gonna mix it because I don't get to. So I'm about to
Just moving on these ice cream.
that's we're not.
Dang.
No, that's gonna be for me.
I'm gonna do it.
Huh?
I'm gonna get on.
So that's for Mike.
Danger.
Okay, now we're trying the honey bun. Let's see.
You know what I say it.
So you gotta get that crunch? Is it like? Yep. Yep.
Whoa.
That's a smooth fast.
That tastes like lemon.
It's very much giving like
It's giving
a
lemon.
cinnamon bite. You know how? It's the glaze bite.
The glaze.
It's the glaze bite. I'm giving a smooth 5.2.
It's not the bread, but it's the glaze.
I don't like it at all, but I give it a smooth 5.2 because it's giving honey bun.
I get a 10.
That's nice.
It's a 10. These are
I
so
don't like
good.
so.
I'm
This
gonna
is
get a 10
a
as well.
5.2 smooth.
It's good. Get a 10.
Ooh, shoot.
There ain't no
I'm
one
very
ice cream to myself.
I'm very upset about
Me
this.
and D over here like 10. Hey.
10 for the bun ice cream.
Right.
No, this is a 10. The oatmeal pie cookie.
I want that.
It don't. This
No
man,
way.
girl, man. This don't taste. This gives every vibe that we want to get. If y'all like pecan and vanilla ice cream, this is how the pecan. That's how it tastes. Or either I'll do the Swiss roll. Boom, and then
I'll
my
take
son
the Swiss.
Greedy, he ain't here right now, y'all. He with his pop, but he'll be here. Excuse me. So we're doing the fudge round. Remember the fudge rounds, y'all? Let's see what it's giving.
Fruit rounds.
It's very much muddy chocolate. It's giving muddy chocolate. Let's see.
Put it up inside the bottle.
Let's see what it's giving everybody. I'm gonna put that little bit on my spoon.
Okay.
Maya like ice cream too. So this is her to-do list type shit.
To-do list.
She like ice cream. So okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Which one
That-
is this?
And a fudge round. A smooth 7.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A smooth
That hit the
7.
back of your throat real good. Oh, wait, see, so.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A smooth
That hit the
7.
back of your throat real good.
And
Oh,
it
wait,
got-
see, so.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A smooth
That hit
7.
the back of your throat real good.
And
Oh,
it
wait,
got-
see, so.
Oh, he smacked himself. And it got. Don't it taste like dough in it? Like it got like
Yeah, I can taste the
like
bits.
dough?
Yes.
Tastes like it got brownies in it. Tastes like it got brownies in it.
Yeah, like you got brownie bites in it, y'all. So
That
that's
is
good.
good.
That's
I
a
get
smooth
that
7 for me.
8.5.
A smooth 7.
I get that at 9.5.
Like if you on your little menstrual or something like that, and you know,
That was good. I had to set myself for that.
or if you a chocolate lover, then yeah, that's the vast. But I get an oatmeal pie, number 1. Period. Ma, did you spit up? You did. That was the
That was like the.
girl bad. Well, they gonna be mopping the floor anyway. Wow. Okay, so last but not least, honey buns, the Nutty Buddy bar, and I love Nutty Buddies.
Okay.
Me and Maya like Nutty Buddies, the D do too.
Yeah.
And it's giving like vanilla ice cream, and you know. So we gonna take a big scoop of that because we like. I ain't eating too much.
That's
of that.
right, because
Not too much. Not
We're
too
only
much.
trying it. You got that with half to go.
Girl, that's a lie.
That's the truth. I want to spit.
I didn't spit on my stuff, girl. Right? My, you real extra and drama for that because I don't spit on my stuff.
That's it.
Okay, y'all ready? Nutty Buddy time.
Nutty butter booty hole.
Mm-hmm. No, you butt.
Hold on, D. Don't joke now. Everyone was like,
It's giving them. Listen, this one mine. This one
Stop
mine.
that though.
So oatmeal pie, oatmeal cream pie, and Nutty Buddy mine.
Oh no, them nutty buddy. That's a 10.
Oh, you got the rest of that? Right, you wanted it first.
No, I did one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
First this,
That's mine.
then that,
That's radars.
then that, then the strawberry,
Damn.
then the zebra, and then these are like in the background saying "Help me," you know. But
Let me rate
these
mine. Let me rate mine.
these fab right here, comical.
Let me rate mine.
They're-
No, I'm saying. This goes first.
Shoot, that was good.
Second.
And that's like
Fourth.
hit me right there.
Oh no.
Girl, you confused.
These are number 1.
So you all number 1? What's number 2 and 3?
Because you know they not stacked up. They all number 1 because they all in their individual parts.
So she like all of them. Girl bad. D, like what you like first? Come on.
Great choice.
Let these stackers up first. Stackers up first. Like, so which one the best one to you? Put it at the front so you can show like the first one, second one, third one, you know. First one? So D said he likes strawberry. What else? The
Fudge round was good.
So that's second, and what else? He like the Swiss roll. He said he liked the honey bun.
Right.
Okay. So that's the fourth.
too.
So these what you didn't like?
These good too.
Shit, what do you like?
But I just like those.
Right. He
So
like
them,
those better.
so them fat, he like them, whatever. So I know I'm getting Oreo
I'm getting
cream
Nutty
pie,
Buddy.
and I'm getting Nutty Buddy.
You're not kidding.
Girl, we're gonna tussle. We're gonna.
Hold on. Two. So we all get. Mom get 2, I get 2, D get 2, B get 2.
Gritty gonna want brownie.
But
though.
that's not what you actually want though. But I'm just saying, like, just comment.
I know.
Mommy. Gritty
Gritty.
don't even like ice cream, so.
But he might want to get the brownie though. He might want to just eat. He might dig on too. But y'all, so we rated the Little Debbie's ice cream
Yes.
they was given.
All that.
Y'all about to get this video dropped to y'all ASAP.
We need to get these ice creams regularly, like they just regular ice
I feel like we just, I get the Oreo. I'm not even an ice cream lover no more, but I get the Oreo cream pie on the regular, and I can get the Nutty Buddy on the regular.
Right. The ones that tasted so much like the original one was definitely the
Oatmeal cream
shortcake.
pie,
No,
the shortcake.
Shortcake is the only one that I had was like, that tastes exactly
So
like
the shortcake to me and the cream pie and the Nutty Buddy, them three definitely taste.
Right.
Them definitely.
I said the Nutty Buddy
And the Swiss roll. Four of them taste exactly like the honey bun. Did not taste like honey bun.
It tastes like
Fudge round, they didn't give me fudge round. Give me like brownie bites, and then like the brownie tastes. But I have to say the fudge round, the oatmeal cream pie, the strawberry shortcake, and the Swiss roll. Them four definitely giving like you just ate it. You just froze it up and ate it, or you either crunched it up on top. Here, show them that. Come on. So my best friend want to show y'all what he got from 5 and Below.
Got a gummy right here. It's like a,
It's a sucker.
it's a gummy
a big
stick. A gummy on the stick.
A big sucker stick. So that's what he want to show y'all.
gummy on
Strawberry and blueberry flavor.
You know.
Go to 5 Below and get it. It's really a gummy, y'all. It's a fat gummy.
It's like good but better.
He's a good fat gummy. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all want to see me or I or we upload videos.
Strawberry and blueberry right there.
We just pretty much just chilling. I'm about to make us some burgers and homemade French fries, homemade burgers, homemade French fries. How y'all can rate this video? Like, this is 10 out of 10, y'all. We gonna win on this one. But how y'all rate the video? Like,
good. We rated it real good.
I feel like we did our big one.
We rated
this
like
one.
we actually rated it.
We rated our own video.
We
did
just
our big
eating it.
one. Like at this point, we did our big one. So y'all about to see this video drop tonight or before tonight. Once Maya get comfortable and do what she gotta do.
You'll have to organize more.
Do what she gotta. So, anyways, y'all. So, see y'all later.
Love you.
Peace.